What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Judge J21X on YouTube once again. I want to say good evening to each and every one of y'all. Thank y'all guys for clicking on this video. So today guys, we're here at a car meet y'all at, Mills Diner at T-Rex of the T restaurants. If y'all know that place where it's basically called, T-Rex. Obviously they got some drinks and stuff and corn dogs and stuff. There's a whole lot of cars that are actually here. It's actually a little night meet. I ain't probably gonna be here for too long, but I mean, we're gonna see how long it's gonna last. It's supposed to end at 8, so I ain't gonna be out the whole day. But without further ado, with that being said, let's just get right into the video. Hope y'all guys enjoy the video. Y'all leave me some likes, some comments, all that good stuff. Share with the boys. Also, we are sponsored by this right here, the T-Rex place. If y'all know this place right here, we're actually sponsored by these, this place right here where they're having a car meet. As y'all can see, their car is actually all parked over there. So without further ado, with that being said, let's just get right into the video. Hope y'all guys enjoyed. Y'all leave me some likes, some comments, all that good stuff. Share with the boys. And let's just start off with the video with another banger and another day, of course, on a Sunday evening. Here we go. So right over here, y'all, starting off the first lineup, we got the 5.0 Mustang right over here in that black. And we also have the red Mustang over here, as well as I see the EcoBoost. Very nice seeing that. We also have the Miatas right here. The Miata boys are out in numbers. Got not one, but two Miatas right here. Very nice seeing both of them out. And then we also have my car in the lineup as well, along with the boys as well. Sitting real nice. And then we also have this BMW with some headlights. Got some nice looking lights I see. And then we also have the BRZ FRS. And we have the G8 Pontiac right here. This thing is really nice in that red. And then we also have the C6 Vet along with the lineup as well. Very nice. So we got the SRT8 Charger right over here that we've seen at the Mills Diner meet yesterday. We also have the Camaro ZL1 right over here. Very nice. And we also have this Lexus right over here as well, I see in the lineup. And we got this one right here. Got a lot of new cars I see out here. Never thought we would see them. And we got this BRZ right here. Got a Honda Civic SI I see right here with the underglow. And we also got the Honda SI right here, the new model one. And we got this Lexus right over here I see. And the Nissan Z. The one we always been seeing at the meets of Lafayette. Got a couple JDM cars right over here. I don't even know the name of this move. We also got the Honda Wagoneer right here. And we also got my boy with his 5.0 Mustang. And this GR Corolla right here. Very nice. And then we got the girl with the Volkswagen, of course. Never thought we would see her out. She definitely was out for sure enough since yesterday when they had the meets. And then we also have this Ford Focus with the skateboard popped up the hood I see. That's a little crazy. I don't even know how somebody would put a skateboard, but somebody actually did it. Got the underglow. And we also have this right here. This thing is nice in that white. I think that's a Veloster right here. You don't even get to see too many of them. Very nice in that white. And then we also have this. Got two of these right here. Got the white and blue. Wish they had a red one. And then we got my boy here, Snow 5.0 himself, with his Mustang. Came out, I see, finally. Haven't seen him in a while. Very nice seeing that. So we got the Ford Crown right over here that I've never thought I would see at the meet. And then we also have this 5.7 RT Daytona in that green. You never see a lot of green ones like this one. This one is nice, y'all, in that color, y'all. Love it. Got an Acura right here rolling up, I see. It's a color shift, y'all. It's like a midnight purple with like a color shift. I know y'all probably can't see it too good, but it definitely is nice in that color. I got my boy Hunter here with his 5.0 Mustang right over here. Very nice, of course. Definitely a car that's not stock. Definitely running on E85. This thing is really nice, y'all. Love the red, love the color. Very nice seeing that out. Check this out, y'all. We got the Caprice PPV that rolled in right here. This thing is really nice in that white, y'all. Love to see that came out. You don't never see those every day. Got the Ford F-150 truck right over here. Very nice seeing that in that black. And then we also have the Silverado right here rolling in with a cow hood. Oh my God, this thing is crazy. Listen at that. I can hear the chop of this one. Got a very nice looking GR86 right here. It's got the carbon hood I see. I don't know if y'all can see it. I know my camera may not pick up, but y'all can see the carbon showing on the hood. Very nice seeing that as well, as I know. All right, y'all, as y'all can see, I got my Great American cookies as well. I'm probably gonna eat that. It is really, really cold outside, fellas, and I don't like being in the cold, so I just got back in my car and chilled. I'm probably gonna eat this, probably drink me some water as well until I see some more cars roll in. So yeah, it's actually dark. Let me turn the light on real quick. Yeah. Obviously it is cold outside. I'm probably gonna eat this and I'm gonna probably get right back out to record some more cars that's coming in. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this, and then maybe we'll probably get some sends at the end when we see him leave. So yeah. Got my boy right here rolling in with the Charger. Rolling in deep. Got the 360 cam out in the bag. And we got the track cock right over here rolling in. Or a SRT8. It's actually got an SRT badge on the bottom. Very nice seeing that. We also got the 5.0 Mustang, well the 2.3 Mustang actually. And we have the Scat Pack. Check this out, y'all. We got the Kia Stainer right over here. Boy, just rolled in. I just seen with the Kia Stainer. Very nice in that blue. So we got this BMW right here, the big power BMW, but check this out. He actually got it for sale, I see, y'all. If y'all guys interested in this car, man, y'all hit him up, y'all. Definitely going for a price of $15,000, y'all. That's crazy. 2007, of course, y'all. Very nice. Going for $15,000 if y'all interested. We got the CTSV right over here. Got some boys revving in the background with the Camaro, but we got this CTSV right over here. Never thought we would see this guy out. Very nice. It's got the skinnies up front and the big tires in the back. Love to see that. So yeah, very nice. Got a S650 right here that rolled in. It's a very nice black I'm looking at right here. Never thought we would see that. And check this out, behind me we got a BMW right over here, the Comp. That thing is nice in that white, y'all. Love the color of this one. Very nice M3. Man, this is a nice color of BMW. Got this one right here leaving. Check this out, y'all. There's a C5 right over here that I've never seen before. It's got a Wayne I see, But let's see what we got under here. It's a 5.7 V8. Definitely can see a little bit of everything. Very nice seeing that. So we got Mr. Sam, of course, with his old BMW. This thing is really nice, y'all, in that black. He actually rolled in, actually. Love to see that interior. Got a wide body Charger scat right here. This thing is nice, man. 4G out of wheels on it. Got this Camaro right here rolling up. It's got a big wing, man. My God, look at this. It's got a big wing.